Hi, my name is Aditya, and this is day one of my trading journey to see if I can scale, not a scale, if I can survive with my 2K account for an entire month without blowing it. So, my original plan was I will start from 8th March because I will be getting funds on that day, but I somehow got today, so I entered trade anyway. I never wanted to share my trading part to audience or to anyone because I believe trading is a skill which could be performed not in noise, in peace. And managing its journey on YouTube is not my thing. I can't do this, but I am doing it anyway. So if I could survive this month without blowing my 2K, so I will be adding more funds to it by the next month and scale it up. So let's see how my day one performed. All right, so this is the place where I will be storing all my data. So the objective of the series is to survive entire March month with 2K capital. Well, I have been trading since 28th March 2025. So it is almost going to complete 1 year. This is my fifth phase. First phase was gambling phase. Second phase was hopeful gambling. Third phase was okay, I'll have to make a strategy. And I still ended up with blowing my account. And then fourth phase was that I have been set and I can win this. I was very confident, but I still ended up in negative. And this is the fifth phase. So in this fifth phase, I have got to know that I have to be disciplined and take it as a skill, not as a money printing thing. And this 2K capital is because it is the amount that I can afford to lose. If it's gone by today or tomorrow, it will cause no thing in my life. That's why I'll be trading with 2K until I'm able to execute my plans with the good psychology and good mental state. Yeah. So the rules are enter trade with the predefined SL and TP because why not? In my earlier stages, I haven't had any stop loss or a TP. I was just going with the flow and one trade a day. This is the most important thing because generally my first trade doesn't go well, but my second trade goes well. And if that second trade also doesn't go, then I am out of this trading thing. My capital gets wiped out because two SLs. What we can do, the third role, activate kill switch after first trade, no matter what. So these three simple rules I will be following in this thing because the goal is to survive in the entire month. About my TP and SL, so my SL will be 200 rupees and my TP will be 600, which makes the SL actually 250 including charges and TP actually 550 including charges. So I've taken 6 trades today. Okay, so let me just give you guys my trading plan. Why I entered the trade at the first place. So I woke up at around 12 p.m. and at this point of time I got the money and I was firm that I will not be entering today. I will just be watching the market. But at this point I deposited 2K and this is the place where I entered. Alright, so the logic of my trades were this is the swing where on budget day the market returned and this is the point where I thought it could be a small support. And since this support broken, I entered trade at 12:45 at alright. So this is the exact timeline of my first trade. I entered at this point, and the market started going against me. The market was not going against me. The market was still at its place, but since the index was high, TK was very fast. So I had no SL in my mind today because I thought market is eventually go down, and if not go down, I will hold this trade for tomorrow. हो सकता है market fall down हो कल भी, but I had no idea that today is expiry. Tomorrow will be holiday, so I had no idea about this. So my initial TP was 36.1 and I had no SL. At first price went 3070. I was like at a profit of 200 something, but I was like not, I will be going for TP. So I waited and I exited at this point 30.3, which means 3.1 points is equal to 201. Now I saw that the market was going up. So at my first trade, I had the profit of 201.5 rupees, and I entered the second trade exactly at this candle at 25.55 and exited at 30.2. Yeah, I guess I had no SL, so I forgot the SL. And in my second trade, I made a profit of 302 rupees, which made my overall profit of 503 rupees. I was about to activate my kill switch, but I thought no, I will be testing my psychology that I can survive without kill switch. I can hold my hand for taking trades without kill switch, but it backfired. I entered trade anyways. Since I exited this trade at this point and I saw this huge rally, I thought these might give me chance. So I changed the strike price and went to deep OTM. Okay, and I waited for this place, and the price went deep into at this level, and I was cooked. I had no idea what to do. As and in the same trade, I had like 1K left. So I took a fourth trade in call option. So my account was hedged. At a point, I was at break even, but I didn't book profit. And at the time, at this swing, I was making loss in call buy, and I also was making loss in put buy. So, but then this rally came. I exited both trades at a profit of this thing. So after the fourth trade, my sum was 66.25 positive, and if I exclude the brokerage, my profit was 450 rupees around. So I was done for this day. And in the meantime, when I was in the third and fourth trade, I got to know that today is expiry and I'm cooked because my both trades were in red. So I just put that thing into God's hand, and God gave me like in positive 666. But after 3 p.m., I entered another trade which backfired me. So I'm going to give you guys my fourth and fifth trade logic which I entered at 3 p.m. I generally follow the 75 minutes candlestick pattern. Where this So this is the line that was coming from the 75. This was the resistance I was seeing. So at 2:55 p.m., the price market made this huge candle. I thought it's a breakdown. It is going to that it has touched the this swing, this whatever this is, this resistance, and I was confirmed that after 3 p.m. it is this candle is going to be a huge red. I entered in put ka buy, and it backfired. It almost went cooked. So I immediately hedged with call ka buy. Yeah, that is how I survived this day. Otherwise, I would have been cooked. And at this exact point, the price actually touched my 75 minute candle resistance, but I still hold the trade. And at this point, I was at a profit of plus 700, but I ignored this resistance because when you are in a trade, your inner self doesn't work. Your logic goes silent, and I hold it at this 520. But when I thought it is reversing, then I got out, and I was lucky to I got out in time. Otherwise, I would have been cooked. So each cell of my body doesn't want to take a second trade, third trade, because I know that more than two trades is going to destroy my market judgment capacity and everything. But somehow this simulation controls me, and I just keep on trading. I have to improve that. So at the end of the sixth stage, my realized PNL was 61.75, and my entire PNL was minus 359.59 with minus 297 charges. So this day was not planned. I don't know why I traded, but this is what my actual trading has been in the last 1 year. I want to improve that. I just want to stick with one trade a day, because this is the exact thing that going to make me profitable. Otherwise, I will be someday at a green, someday at a low. Red's coming, then the cooked. So this is my unplanned day one. Did I follow my rules? No, I was not following my rules since the thought of the trade. All right, so this was the whole journey of my day one. When I was green, I knew I should just kill switch and sleep, because tomorrow is holy and I don't want to make my mood bad about it. So let's see what happens on day two. See you again.